Hello everyone, welcome to the channel once again. In this video, we will learn how we can manage SharePoint Online. Now there are two ways to manage SharePoint Online. Either you can go to the GUI version of the SharePoint Online Admin Center, or you can manage it through the online management shell. I'll show you both the ways. So let's get started. We'll first see the online admin center. So little bit we have known in the previous video as well. So this is the admin center, how it looks. Now this is the home page, all the sites which are there, active sites and deleted sites. Now out of the box, these many sites are created. You can go and create and export the list also. All sites are visible, you can search it here. Deleted site, all the policies, settings are there. So these are for settings for the defaults. Then the services, term store. Now here, earlier this label was classic feature, now it's more feature. So if you click on that, all the term store, user profile, search, apps, BCS, secure store, and other record manager and info path and hybrid picker, everything is there. So this is the admin center through SharePoint admin center through which you can manage admins. Now there is another way through which you can manage the SharePoint, that is SharePoint management shell. So SharePoint online management shell, you can type in. So this will pop up. You can download the version, download this exe file, and you can install on your laptop or computer. And then once this is completed, you can run this. A very simple installer will install, accept install, and it will quickly install the online management shell. And then once it is installed, we'll try to connect our site. This will install quickly. Okay, done. Now you can go to the SharePoint Online. Now SharePoint Online management cell, you can run as administrator. Okay, so you can connect through ACD connect SPO services, and then URL you can type. The URL would share. You can see this is the URL of my site which we made. Enter. This will pop up to enter my credentials. So I have created one SharePoint admin. So I log in with that account here, SPO SP admin. So this account I created for SharePoint administration @IR test1 dot on microsoft.com. Now the password I can write and sign in. Okay, now I think I'll be signed in. Now I can write the commands. Get SPO site. So these are the sites connected, you see, and the storage. So in this way you can manage SharePoint from the admin center as well and from the SharePoint Online. We'll explore this in future videos. Thank you so much.